Good morning. Just had my coffee and now I'm ready for breakfast. I will do an oatmeal. That's my go-to for breakfast, nutritious. Good morning. Just had my coffee. I have been here in this campsite for 2 or 3 days now. Beautiful spot. So this is the one between the lake and the desert. I'm enjoying it a lot. Now I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to make an oatmeal. This is always my go-to breakfast. It's an easy to make and it's nutritious, and it's just oats and a banana. That is the one that I'm going to do today. Let's get to it. As you can see here, it's cleaned as much as I could have cleaned it. So this is only color in it, but that is because the heat was too much on the base and the simmer control on this one was almost non-existent. And to make rice on that stove is not going to work. But having that said, it's quite a strong stove if you want to boil water. It's very good in that. Definitely need to put the wind guard again. Even though it's a very light wind, but it affects the stove. So the two main ingredients, as I mentioned, oats and a banana. It's a one angry duck. I'll start putting the oats now and we'll get the banana to get it sliced. And the banana is the thing that will give us the sweetness in this dish. That's what I'm using. So basically old-fashioned rolled oats. They hold quite a good nutrition value. Rolled oats are the least processed, which is always better. One small size banana, because I'm not having a lot of oats. The sweetness that the banana gives is amazing. You don't need to add anything else to sweeten it up. So I will cut directly in the pot because I want the banana to be mashed all together. So I cut in the smallest pieces that I can. I'll just reduce the heat a little bit and stir everything together. So I already see bubbling, so I need to kill the heat a little bit. So as you can see, this stove it's a strong one, but to do something like rice on it, not the best thing to do. So the oats will absorb majority of the water, and now with the spoon I'm just cutting again the pieces of the banana. And what I do also a little bit later now, when it gets more soft, with the back of the spoon I crush them against the wall. Oh, it's still chilly. Well, when I say it's chilly, I think today it was 16 degrees Celsius. I know in some other parts of the world chilly is maybe 0, but here we are used to the hot weather. So for me this is cold. But that's fine, totally fine actually. I like to enjoy whatever weather is at hand, whether it's hot or cold. I have spent years of my life in Europe, in the Netherlands. I have spent majority of my life in Africa, Egypt, traveled in a couple of countries, so I'm fine, to be honest, with any weather. As they say, there is no bad weather, there is bad clothing, bad mindset. It's already getting more thick now, and this meal in the cold weather, just amazing. Of course, to this you can add whatever you want as toppings. I'll just add a couple of almonds, some raisins, and that's it. I will kill the heat for now because that's done. Now better, let's remove this one. If you want this to be more sweet, you can of course add sugar if you want. By the way, I will add water directly because oats, if you leave them, they will also get hard, more difficult to clean later. Now I'm just roughly chopping these almonds. I will put them together with some raisins and I'm ready to enjoy this healthy breakfast. Now, look at that. Quick and easy, delicious, healthy breakfast. I can eat this dish every single day. Guys, I will finish this breakfast and I will catch up with you a little bit later on. Hey guys, a quick change for today, since today is Friday and many people like to come to this popular place, and I can already see a couple of cars parking. For now I will just enjoy maybe a cup of coffee or something, and I will pack up camp and I will see you in the next adventure.